Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Delaware until 9 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located near Delaware State Park, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing golf ball-sized hail and destructive straight-line winds. Locations impacted include Ashley. In addition, Delaware State Park, Leonardsburg, Kilbourne, and Olive Green are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southern Morrow until 9:30 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Waldo, or 10 miles south of Marion, and moving east at 25 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Cardington, Sparta, Fulton, and Marengo. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or closet.